Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by charging the watch to at least 50% before beginning the pairing process. Keep your phone charged above 20% to avoid interruptions. Enable Bluetooth on the phone and keep the watch within 33 feet or 10 meters of the phone. Install the companion watch app from the phone store and sign into your account using your email or phone number. Close other Bluetooth connections and disable airplane mode. Keep both screens awake for the next steps to ensure you complete pairing without delays. Open the companion watch app and select Add Device or Pair New Watch in the menu. Choose the correct watch model from the list and tap Continue to start Bluetooth scanning. When a 6-digit code appears on both devices, confirm the code to establish a secure connection. Accept the pairing prompt on the phone and on the watch when requested. Grant required permissions for notifications, location, and contacts so the watch can sync data and deliver alerts. Wait for the app to complete initial synchronization. If pairing fails, restart both the phone and the watch, then toggle Bluetooth and retry pairing. Keep the devices within 33 feet or 10 meters and remove nearby Bluetooth devices that may interfere. Apply any system updates for the phone and the watch to fix connectivity and stability issues. If problems persist, unpair previous connections from the phone and reset network settings. Complete setup by customizing watch faces, notification preferences, and health data sync settings in the app. Test calls, messages, and activity sync to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.